You guys don't want to take that first step. That's telegraphing. It's just stupid.
So this is fixing, not a Sensei Seth and ICY fixing a spinning heel kick video. So this is fixing their fix-it video.
You see that he's teaching ICY how to do this while sliding. Then you have ICY taking that step like that, and then he's sliding. That's like double telegraphing. So you guys can at least spot the difference between professional and amateur. Stick to the end of the video.
So this is a fix-it video for their fix-it video, basically, because not that there's anything wrong with the way that they did their kick.
It's just not professional.
I myself have been guilty of not telling people how to do this kick the way I'm gonna tell you guys how to do it now. So I hope you guys appreciate this video, because I only used to share this kind of knowledge with my students that are actually fighting or competing for me, or that's it, people close to me, you know, people that I really care about. I will teach them this kick, but it's not a kick that I go around teaching everybody. But I seen Sensei Seth and or not a Sensei Seth, I see the hurts this video, and I was like, you know what? I gotta just make this one for you guys. So share, like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe for more videos like these.
Godverdomme, weet je, die wil ik niet er in mijn bek aan hebben, mijn beste maat. Holy shit!
You guys don't want to take that first step this way, okay? If someone does that to me, boom, I'm kicking that leg. If I'm nice, because I already know they're going to spin, they're going to get kicked here. If I'm nice, they're going to get kicked here. I really want to not care. What I do then is as soon as they take that step, bang! You're knocked out. Watch my foot. I don't step. Look at this foot. I start with the back leg. Bang! You're knocked out because I didn't telegraph. So that's the number one thing that they're doing wrong. And then you see that he's teaching ICY how to do this while sliding. Then you have ICY taking that step like that, and then he's sliding. That's like double telegraphing. Okay? Doesn't matter if you're standing sideways, if you're standing straight, if you're doing a boxing stance or an MMA stance. It doesn't matter. The point here is, don't move that front foot first. You take off with the back leg first, always. So if I'm standing here, with this leg here up front like that, even here, if I'm moving more of a Muay Thai stance, if I take that leg forward, a professional will see it and you will get knocked the out. So what you want to do is you always want to start with that back leg. Start with that back leg and then you move the front foot. Bang! Bang!